Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and in this video, I'm going to show you the finishing touches on the PGT vinyl casement window. The first item I'm going to work on is the operator. To begin, we'll remove the T-handle from the operator, and we'll snap the operator cover onto the operator. The next step is to remove the handle from the baggie and place it on the worm of your operator. You want to make sure that this is on correctly, where when the sash is shut and locked, the handle will fold over and lay on the operator casing. What we'll do is we'll undo the handle and with our flathead screwdriver, tighten the set screw. For best practices, let's test the handle. I'm going to unlock the sash, open, close, lock, and then lay the handle on the casing. The last item in your baggie are the hole plugs. These hole plugs will get pushed inside the hole to cover the fasteners all the way around the frame. The last finishing touch is the screen. I'm going to insert the side of the screen with the spring on it. There's a small groove that the springs will fit into the jamb, and with a little bit of pressure, I'll be able to snap in this side of the screen. To recap, I've now completed the finishing touches on the PGT vinyl casement window. In the next video, I'm going to show you some of the services you can perform on this window.